Hello, my name is Albie, and this is 112 Coin, my 112 application for my final term project. So this application is a simulation of proof-of-stake cryptocurrency with over 100 different AI users. You may ask, what is a cryptocurrency? So basically, crypto is internet medium of exchange that allows you to directly transact with other people instead of going through a big bank. It's based on some of the greatest ideas in computer science, including blockchain, Merkle trees, public and private key pair cryptography. And all of these are important to providing security and privacy to exchange. Perhaps the most important element, however, is the blockchain, which is an immutable data storage structure that is basically chaining blocks of data together by their unique hashes. And if you know about hashes, they're an identifier that if you change one individual character in one individual transaction in one block, the entire hash for that block will be completely different, making each block immutable. And so my app simulates crypto by creating over 100 different AI users, and it enables you to interact with the blockchain that is going to be developed by these users and you yourself. So you can earn coin from minting new blocks. You can stake coin with the proof of stake methodology to increase your chance of winning in the lottery. And you can also view all the blocks and transactions in the block viewer tool. So let's go ahead and start the simulation. Okay, so here we are on the overview page. We can see our balance in the top left of 10 112 coins. And right below that is our public key, which was generated from our private key. Keep in mind this will be important to uniquely identify us when we're looking at any transactions. And let's go ahead and stake 10 coin. You can see we now control 13% of the total staked coin, which means we have a 13% chance of winning the lottery for the next minting block. And you can see in the left that we're currently generating some transactions from our users, and we have minted a couple blocks already. In the last block, we added 60 and rejected 12 transactions. Okay, so while it's going on in the background, why don't we go ahead and look at the chain. So here we have all of the blocks that have been minted viewable. So far, there are only 4. Now 5, and we can view any block's transactions by pressing 1, 2, or 3 for the corresponding block. And all of these transactions in this initial block were from the Coinbase, and that was to give each of our users a certain amount. We go back in our second block, and we can see, let's pick a random user here, 83D. We copied their receive address. And now we can go ahead and send that user some coin. Okay, let's give him a healthy 5 112 coins and send that transaction to the pool. It is now sent to the pool. And if you can see, our balance just dropped and we actually had that transaction accepted in the latest block. So we can go back, view the last block, and see if we scroll down far enough. In fact, here we are. And this is our transaction to 83D, 5 coin, and we had a small fee of 5 Cosby coin, and that is default for every transaction to give the minter of the block some sort of incentive. So it looks like we also, in our recent tab, did actually mint a block from our staked coin, and we received 2.75 112 coin in reward for that. Looks like we've had a good day. Thank you for looking at my app.